Hey iPhone user, welcome to this video. Need Microsoft Teams for work, school, or meeting on the go? No worries. I'll show you how to download and install Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. Let's dive in. First, let's head to the App Store. Tap on the App Store. Tap the Source tab at the bottom. Now, let's find the app. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams. Tap the search button. Look for the official Microsoft Teams app with a purple T logo from the Microsoft Corporation. You must avoid downloading fake apps. Make sure it says Microsoft Corporation under the name. Time to install Teams. Tap the Get button or the cloud icon if you downloaded it before. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple ID password to confirm. Wait for the app to download and install. Boom! Microsoft Teams is now on your iPhone. Let's log in and start using it. Tap Open once the download is complete. Enter your Microsoft account email and password. Tap Sign in and you are all set. And enable notification to never miss important messages or meetings. And that's it. You have just downloaded and installed Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. If this was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, comment down. Do you prefer using Teams on your computer or iPhone?